Good day everyone, mabuhay! In this video, I'll show you our road trip from Troyes to Colmar, visiting small town of Bergheim, and short stop to Chateau de Königsberg. Hello, 5 followers. I forgot. Say that again.
Hohen Königsberg.
On its fairy tale perch above vineyards and hills, the turreted red sandstone Chateau de Königsberg is worth a detour. Rebuilt at the behest of the German Kaiser Wilhelm II, for many years it was considered to be nothing but a fairy tale castle similar to Neuschwanstein. However, in recent years, historians establish it as at least interesting for what it shows about Wilhelm II's romantic nationalist ideas. A copy of the castle has been built in the Berjaya Hills, Malaysia, 60 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur. Enclosed by a sturdy 14th century ring wall overflowing with geraniums and uplifted by half-timbered houses in vivid pastels, Bergheim is a joy to behold. But things have not always been so cheerful here. Overlords invaders, women burnt and executed for witchcraft, this tiny village has seen a lot. Stroll the cobbled streets of the well-preserved medieval center or follow the 2-kilometer path. This little town will not disappoint you.
Wir sind in Colmar gerade jetzt.
The capital of Alsace wine region, Colmar looks like as though it has been plucked from the pages of a medieval folktale. Canal connection doesn't really resemble Venice, but it's truly pretty in its own right, whether explored on foot or by rowboats. Colmar has a lot of half-timbered houses in chalkbox colors, crowd dark cobblestone lanes, and bridge-lace canals. Padapis or spice bread is a French cake. Its ingredients were rye flour, honey, and spices. The back streets are punctuated by impeccably restored timber houses in sugared almond shades. The city's illustrious past is clearly etched in its magnificent churches and museums. This pink sandstone is from the Vosges mountain. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Keep safe. Bye bye.